HLBZ, HLBZ, HLBZ. Okay, that sounded a little bit weird at the start, but I'm going to show you exactly what I'm expecting the price to do. You might be actually surprised with it, and the reasons behind it and everything. So let's get right into the video. Just by looking at the daily chart, we can see the HLBZ is actually around close to 2% down today, which is not that big of a deal. Just like right off the bat, we can see from the previous prediction, like right here, from my previous predictions, I was expecting bearish moves from here and here. We definitely got them correct. You can clearly see that from that position onwards. Like, so this, here's a little proof. I'm not going to take even a lot of your time, just 2 seconds. The proof of there for the people who might be asking. So right now, this is what I'm expecting the price to do. So I'm going to delete a bunch of this stuff up. Okay, this is exactly in the same position from the previous video and what was I expecting the price to do. So the prediction is basically the same for the people who might not had an opportunity to actually look at it. So from here, I'm bullish to the highs is the first scenario, and the second one is actually bullish from the demand area just beneath me. Okay, and that's what actually makes sense to me, at least. So I'm expecting it to maybe tap into the 50%. Why the 50%, you might be asking? Is because there is a far more volume into the 50% than actually anywhere into the demand area. So this is actually going to make a lot of sense, at least to me. Let me know your thoughts on it. I want to hear you in the comments